everybody, welcome back. So we're gonna go off on our traditional spooky walk and check out the Christmas lights in our area. It's almost 6 o'clock. As you can see, it's pitch black, so I don't know how this recording is gonna come up, but apparently there is gonna be a bit of a competition at the end as well. So we will rate the best looking places where they made the most effort to decorate their houses.
And
So-
when it looks the best.
That's right. So let's just do this. So we are coming up to the end of our spooky walk, and we do have a verdict. We've got gold, silver, and bronze. And let's see, Ella, which one is your bronze? Let's start.
My bronze is this train. It was the winner last year, and it has to be the winner this year. I really like the train.
Yes, that was a bronze. So my bronze was the one with the Bentley. I was gonna pick the one with the three houses, the three neighbors, but Ella said I could only have one.
Because the three aren't together.
Yes, so
I guess
that.
they could be.
All right.
It's just
So silver. Which one is your silver?
my silver is it had big red bows. It had this really strange snowman. It didn't have a carrot nose, and it looked like a child drew a face on it. But still, I really loved the design. It was all full of Christmas
It was actually
lights.
good. I agree with Ella. That's my silver as well. And the gold one is...
Drum roll, please.
Yeah! Which one is the gold one?
It had a tree which someone put baubles on it and Christmas lights.
Yes, so we agree. It was a very unusual one. It was, I think, somebody's tree outside the house, and had loads of Christmas decoration, little messages as well. And we both thought it was very, very unique, very sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And in the meantime, don't forget to check out, because the perfect size of bag for this kind of adventure is the Osprey Arcane teeny tiny bag that you can fit everything in it. And I can't wait to see you all in the next one. We're gonna say goodbye now. Goodbye for now.